going on, y'all? It's the Mobile Motivator, aka Mr. Colgate, coming at you once again. I know I've been gone a long time, and I apologize about that. Had to get some things straight. Yeah, it's kind of cold out here too. I know you see it. The boy got a sweater on, and he's still ain't enough. I know y'all get a cup, whatever. But anyways, simple message today is just be. What I mean by just be you. I'm starting to find out in the 28 years that I've been on this earth, I never truly knew who I was until I decided to stop being a people pleaser. The moment I stopped being a people pleaser, whether they got mad with me, I was telling them the truth. Whether I didn't like to tell them the truth because it didn't make me seem what I thought they would think I would be. Guys, I realized that being me and just being is a great, it's something that I can't explain. You look at the world in a different light when you're just being you. You know, I like Rachmaninoff, I like house music mixes, I like neo soul, I like Brazil cafe lounge music, whatever it might be. And those are the things that I actually do like that I'm naming to you guys. Most people they'd be like, oh, I thought you just like hip hop. I like metal, I like rock, I like hip hop, country, journey, whatever you want to call it. I like a lot of stuff, especially in the music field. But what I'm trying to give you, the point is that I'm telling you this because I don't care what people think about me as far as when I say I like something, because I'm being me. And I found out the second that I started to be me and learn how to be me, everything started changing. March 7th, I'm going to be in a fashion show. I want to be a fashion icon and stepping my dress game up. My shoe game was already on point for some of y'all who used to know me like that when I was in high school and stuff. And in college, my shoe game was always on point. But I'm just finding out, guys, that I'm truly happy. I'm honestly saying that things, when I make decisions and when I make decisions for me and my family, it's in the best interest and it's what is going to make me happy versus what might make my family happy, what might make my friends or my co-workers happy or the people that's watching me happy. So, you know what, guys, without further ado, it's a Sunday. It's kind of cold out here. Valentine's Day was yesterday. I'm surprised my wife was something else today. She didn't even know it. So without further ado, guys, hope y'all doing your thing. Hope y'all living your dreams out there. More videos to come. The boy's definitely stepping his game up, going back to school. Like I said, doing some things that makes me happy. Going back to school, trying to get a philosophy degree, and just trying to cultivate and master my craft. And you know, whatever it is you guys are out there doing, put your whole heart to it. Go out for it. You know, don't 50% it, do it 120%, do it 150%, do it on 200. Rise and grind, baby. It's time to go, because you never know how much longer you have on this earth, guys. So without further ado, it's your boy, the one and only, the Mobile Motivator, aka Mr. Colgate, coming at you. Look for me in some more shows coming this week. Not this week, but this year or this month. I'm gonna be posting dates for some major events, like the one that's gonna be in Atlanta. I'm gonna be speaking down there. I'm getting up with some other people who's showing me the ropes, showing me the way. And I'm telling you, Eric Thomas, I watched the video, man. I don't know if you're watching this. I don't know if somebody's sending it to you, but I watched the video at 5 Links. I used to rock with 5 Links like that. I learned a lot from him and the people I was with. And I seen you. You said you coming for Tony, and you a lying, baby. But I'm trying to tell you, y'all ain't met me yet.
Yeah. Yeah.